pandemic has forced a lot of hospitals to change visitor policies.
Yeah, that makes seeing loved ones difficult, but a local hospital worked to make sure that a couple was reunited again. And WGN's Shannon Halligan is here now with more. Shannon?
Yeah, COVID-19 continues to take its toll, but for one Lombard family, they were able to find some peace amid the pandemic.
Two photos taken 64 years apart. The black and white image taken the day David and Sandra Zorn were married.
There are photos. It's the picture of my mom and dad on their wedding day, their hands together.
Their daughter, Deanna Wilkins, said the other photo was captured earlier this month at Advocate Good Samaritan Hospital. 89-year-old David and 83-year-old Sandra of Lombard both contracted COVID-19. Thanks to doctors, nurses, and patient relations specialist Johnny Gillespie, David and Sandra were able to be in the same room despite hospital restrictions due to the pandemic.
This was a situation we had to make an exception for this because the stories that Deanna told and with the gravity of the situation.
Exceptions need to be made for especially types like this.
Advocate nurse Erin Stafford put David and Sandra's hospital beds together.
We don't know exactly what happens when a person is nearing the end of life, what they can exactly hear or be aware of. But I think that they were both very aware that they were together and that they could feel each other holding each other's hands.
Shortly after being united in the hospital, Sandra passed away. David died just a couple of days later. The Zorns left behind 10 grandchildren and 2 great-grandchildren. They were foster parents and raised 5 children who were grateful their parents could spend their final moments together.
I just thank them very much to be able to have that last time with my parents and just to be able to enjoy just saying goodbye.
The hospital did allow the Zorn's children to come visit the couple during their final days. So, just difficult for many reasons.
Been hearing a lot of stories with just the opposite being the case, that really divides families and keeps them apart in their really critical moments. So this is nice to hear this kind of story.
Yeah, together.
Shannon, thank you.